Are you ready to transform your text into lifelike speech? Today, we are diving into how to use 11 Labs text to speech in 2025. Whether you are creating audiobooks, voiceovers, or just having fun with AI, this tool will revolutionize your audio content. Let's get started. First things first, head over to 11labs.io. Here you can sign up for a free account. Just choose your plan and follow the prompts. It's just simple. Once you are in, you will find yourself or in the main dashboard. Now that's your login. Let's navigate to the voice lab. This is where the magic happens. You can clone your own voice or create a brand new one. If you have a paid plan, you can even design voice for scratch. Don't worry, it's user friendly. To bring your text to life, go to the speech synthesis page, type or paste your text here. Anything from a short sentence to a full script, choose a voice from their extensive library or select one that you have cloned. Hit generate and voila, your audio is ready. Want to make it sound just right? Adjust the speech, speed and clarity of the voice. You can even add pauses for a more natural flow. Play around with this setting until it sounds perfect for your project. Keep your writing conversations, your constructions and shorter sentence for more natural tone. Don't hesitate to experiment with different voice and settings. Check out 11 Labs documentations for additional tips and tricks. 11 Labs offer an incredible way to create high quality audio effortlessly with just a few clicks. You can generate professional sound speech that enhance your content like never before. So why wait? Start exploring 11 Labs today and elevate your audio game. Happy creating.